Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to put one number on 4-wheel Lagard combination lock. The current number is 10 20 30. It's 4-wheel combination, so we have to start it from the right hand side. The first number is 10, so 5 times right hand side on the changing mark 10. Then second number 20, 4 times left hand side. Third number 30, 3 times right hand side. Last number 40, 2 times left hand side, and hold it. If you don't subscribe, please subscribe my channel. Then put the changing key. Then it right hand side. Now I'm going to put 50, 5 times left hand side, 50 on changing mark. Hold it. Turn and remove the key. Then try to open with one number. Put 50 on opening mark, 5 times left hand side 50. Then turn the handle. So thank you for watching.